Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download your games faster on your Steam. So the first thing that you need to do is hover your mouse to Steam and then click on settings. And here you need to go to downloads, and from here you need to make sure that you're in the right region. For me it is Pakistan, so I will choose Pakistan. And here you need to uncheck box this throttle downloads while streaming, and then make sure to uncheck box this one also, that is limit your speed to. After doing both these steps, you need to click on OK and then hover your mouse to Steam and then click on exit. So this will exit your Steam totally. Now if you double click on it, the changes will be made. As you can see that I am already downloading a game and it is downloading very fastly. If I go to my downloads, you can see that it is downloading at 2.5 MB per second. So the other thing that you can do is make sure that you are using a Ethernet cable. That is, do not use wireless internet connection if you can, because that degrades your internet speed, and if you use an Ethernet cable, that will increase your download speed. If you follow these steps, I hope you will not encounter any download problems and you will be able to get a good downloading speed on Steam. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.